Asterix being pushed there by Wiseman. One gentleman on board.
Welcome to Extreme Boating, recorded here in St Lucia Estuary beaches by Pardette
Coming up the channel, checking everything is trimmed right. All the motors is running. A little bit more ugly than it was when we first arrived here as the start coming in over the sandbank, but Monster's got his ducks in a row. It's going more north than I expected. Once a charter operation with Asterix here in St Lucia, also got holiday accommodation available. If you want his number, you can contact me on 081 342 7371. Thank you. Happy hunting. Enjoy the day. Legacy being pushed by Wiseman. Wiseman are running fast. He's going to be hit by that short up. No, he timed it right. Well done. Legacy is nice and deep in the channel. Motor trimmed down. Up the channel. Getting his timing right, checking the surf out, working his way towards the gap, but he's busy closing up from the right. He's going to push right into it. Yes, he made it right into the gap. Happy hunting, enjoy the day.